I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have a new special friend with us who's going to introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Callan. I am a student intern with Our Space this summer, and I am studying expressive arts therapy at Lesley University.
All right, welcome, Callan.
Yes, welcome.
So what craft are we making today?
So today, for Callan's first day, we are making foil fish. So these are fish out of aluminum foil. Baby. Oh, these all look great.
Yeah, it's a fun craft.
It is a fun craft.
Okay, so before we start our craft, we're going to do one of our breathing techniques. So today we're going to do a starfish breath. So our hand is going to be our starfish, and it has 5 fingers or 5 arms like a starfish does. So we're going to hold up one hand and then take your index finger of your other hand and start at the base of your thumb. And we're going to breathe in and go up to the top. And then when you come down, you're going to breathe out. And we're going to do that slowly up with each finger. So up, breathe in, down, breathe out. And we're going to keep doing that. Breathe in. And our pinky. All right.
Thank you, Peggy.
You're welcome. I like that breath.
I do too. I feel ready to go.
All right. So what supplies do we need?
Cardboard, aluminum foil, scissors, permanent markers, or acrylic paint.
Okay, we're ready to go.
Okay, what's the first step?
All right, so you're going to take your piece of cardboard and you're going to draw a fish shape on it. And here's what I drew. And right, it can be any type of fish. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And for your cardboard, like I used part of a file folder. You could use a cereal box, anything that's right.
That's what I'm using.
Oh, good.
What did you use, Callan?
I'm using an oatmeal box.
Oh, yes, perfect. Pasta box, anything. And remember the cutting part, this is the part where you may need a grown-up to help you. So
yeah,
that's okay.
Always a good reminder. Okay.
I still have to get mine cut.
Oh, mine is out.
Nice. It's almost done.
Great.
Right. So we each have our cardboard fish shape.
Yeah. And then for the next step, you can take a piece of foil and it's bigger than the fish. And what you're going to do is, but you can sort of trim it down as you go. You're really just going to be wrapping the foil around your fish. You don't need any glue or tape or anything. And so like when you get to the tail, you're gonna see if I can show you. You'll be pushing it in a little bit where the tail goes. Let's just get started doing it and then we can.
Right. There's kind of like no special way. You just kind of make it work to get the shape of the fish.
It's like wrapping a present, but your present is a fish.
Okay. I have to go grab my tinfoil. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I tend to make my Tara too big a strip of foil.
Yeah, I did too. So like I'm just folding it over lots of times to make it fit.
Right. And then I just tear some off as I go around.
Yeah.
what I like about this craft is it uses things you have around the house, no special materials.
Yeah. So here's how mine is coming. So I'm just gonna sort of do some adjustments on the tail. And you just really just kind of squish it to be how you want. And then while you're doing that part, then the extra fun part comes where you're going to be decorating your fish. And I know, Kellen, you're going to be using paints, right?
I am. I'm using acrylic paints.
Okay. And Peggy, what are you using?
I'm going to use Sharpies.
Yeah, me too. So like on this one, all the decorations were done with Sharpie. And that's what I'm going to do again.
Right, and you can use the Sharpie or the paints, and then you can also do googly eyes, or you can just color on some eyes.
Yeah.
I had some bling around the house, so I put some bling on it.
I always start my fish with eyelashes every time.
I'm still folding mine.
I practiced a lot, and so it got to be a little bit of a quicker task. So Kellen, are you using a paintbrush?
I am. I'm using just a regular old paintbrush. And if you have pieces of leftover cardboard, you can use it to put the paint on so you don't make a mess. It's really helpful. That's what I'm doing.
Good idea.
And Kellen, can you hold up for us the one you made earlier with paint, just so I can, and Peggy can get a better look at the tail? Can you hold that tail right up?
That's nice.
That's nice. So that's all paint.
All paint. It came out really good.
Oh, I love it.
And then the yellow part, what was that, Callan?
It's still just paint. I put a few layers on, but.
Okay. It almost looked like it was a piece of cardboard. It's so even.
Yeah.
You could do that too. You could cut strips of cardboard and glue it on. And
really anything will work with this craft. Super fun.
And the other thing I'll show you that I did before when we were doing this is I made some baby fish. So here's a little baby fish.
Oh.
And then I hung it from the big fish, and then you can like put yarn or twine or whatever, and you can like hang it and make a mobile.
That's a great idea. I think I'm gonna do that with this fish later. Now
Yeah. I kind of want to hang it in the window and see what it looks like with the sun coming through, because I feel like the colors come out really bright on the fish.
Yeah, it really comes out well with the Sharpies. While we're working, I do have a fish joke.
I would be disappointed if you didn't, Gail.
Joe, don't ever let me forget a joke. So this joke is, what kind of fish only comes out at night?
Does it have to do with our breath?
I knew you were gonna get it, Peggy. Yes, a starfish.
I couldn't help myself to answer.
Nicely done.
Good one.
Thank you.
It's relaxing just to kind of color.
Yeah, it really is. How's your painting coming, Callan?
It's going good. I always like to start with the tail. So I started on the tail and I'm working my way forward.
Nice.
Nice.
That's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna just keep working on this later, but I just have been covering it with, like I always do, with polka dots. That's what I like to do with my crafts.
Colored my fin like a bright pink.
Oh, pretty. Your
Oh,
color.
I like that color.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really nice.
All right. So we hope you enjoyed our fish foil craft.
Yeah,
You know, we did.
we did. And Callan, thanks for joining us today. We're looking forward to having you all summer.
Thank you. Me too.
And if you'd like to check out some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Have fun. Bye.